What up, criminal YouTube? It's your boy Official. We're back with another video, baby. And as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, we are doing a POV drive in my E90 2009 330i. And today's video might be a bit different from, I'm not sure how many weeks ago it was, but like compared to that video, because I don't know, but like I'm going to talk a bit more than last time, because one of my friends told me that I was talking a bit of shit. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me, but like, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna be doing another route from the last time, or the same route from the last time. What am I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna be doing the same route from the last time, just a bit crazier today. You feel me? Yes, sir. Yeah, this last 2 weeks has been a bit crazy. I won't even lie to you. So you guys know this too. I haven't been posting for two weeks, almost 3 weeks now. And I decided that today we're going to shoot a POV drive video because, yeah, just cause we can, boy. We're gonna be getting a bit crazy in this video because I feel like last time, right, I was a bit chilled and I'm still kind of getting to know the car, right? But this video we're gonna be going crazy. I won't even lie to you. You get me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me just get comfortable. I'm going to give it like a few minutes for the car to get like hot in a way. You get me? Yeah. But yeah, man. We're gonna be doing a POV drive. We're gonna be doing a POV drive in my 330i. Yeah. We're gonna be getting crazy. Crazy. I don't know if I'm if I'm talking doodle, but like we're gonna be getting crazy, bro. Just hang with me, niggas. Yeah, just hang with me, niggas. You feel me? Just hang with me, niggas, you feel me? Yes, sir. I think we can do like shit. So crazy, bro. Woo! This car's so crazy, bro. I don't think the camera does this car justice, man. But I told you I'm in the works of getting maybe like a downpipe and a muffler delete, right? Downpipe and a muffler delete for the car. So just hang with me. Trying to get my finances right first before I do any upgrades. And yeah, by early next year maybe I'm gonna have that installed onto the car. You get me? But yeah, let's make noise for these people, bro. Making noise for these people, boy. Making noise for these people, boy. I'm a villain. I don't even know what the fuck I'm saying, boy, you feel me? But like, just trying to make a noise for these people. I wanna get niggas turning their heads. get me. You get me. Left, right, left, right. Ooh wee. You get me. This car the craziest car I've ever drove. So like, there might be people who always say that you were talking a whole lot of doo-doo, a whole lot of doo-doo, a whole lot of doo-doo, a whole lot of doo-doo. You feel me? But I feel like I in my own words, I feel like a 330i 6-cylinder is way better, like way better than the GTI. In my own opinion, you can fight me if you think I'm wrong, but like in my own opinion, I feel like the GTI is like swag, doo-doo, but you feel me? But like, I won't say too much because I was kind of attacked the last time because yeah. Won't really say what I want to say, but hey mate, ooh, look at this shit ass, boy. Woo! Yes sir. That's some doodle bit. Do I do it? Do I do it? Nah. I won't do it. I won't do it. I won't do it. I won't do it. I will not do it. But yeah, man, I'm trying to get like I think by next year, close the windows. Next year or the year after, right? I want to get a project car because I feel like that will do massive for me and for the channel itself. Because if you guys do not know, I like destroying and building shit. I like cars. I like a whole lot of shit. You feel me? And I feel like that would be such a great replacement from just sitting at home all the time. You feel me? Working on that car every day. And oh shit, is that the B58? Okay, yeah. But as I was saying, just like record videos for you guys like each and every day. Oh, bro, look at this motherfucker, bro. Look at this. This is sexy, bro. Not the GTI, but I had to get this in GTI, no cap. It's the same one I saw at the garage. That is a 340i B58. Crazy shit. Oh, wait. For them to upgrade my car. Oh, look at these lovebirds. What am I gonna do? I don't know. But like, I'm back on my consistent shit. You feel me, boy? Back on my consistent shit. I'm gonna be dropping every Saturday, maybe. If I don't, there might be consequences. I'm joking. If I don't upload every Saturday, it's because I got my own issues. And yeah, because I definitely feel like we can do it every Saturday, right? You feel me? I don't know when I'm going to drop this video. Maybe the same day, or yeah, or maybe Saturday again. Don't want to skip shit, but like yeah, maybe Saturday again. And man, look at them all, fuck man. Woo! That car making a whole lot of records because it's
honestly speaking, man, the boy was just there.
Well, open the windows right now. You will get me. You will get me. You will get me. Ooh. You're gonna open the windows, boy. Yep. And shit, but I'm enjoying my life dry. Tell me what you wanna tell me, but I'd rather be doing this than do drugs. I'd rather be doing this than do drugs. You get me? Yeah, man. I feel like I'm talking a whole lot of dudes, but you feel me? That's the whole point of me being here. Rather be doing this than do drugs. Rather be doing this than be on the street. You feel me? Yes, sir. I'm not scared for a challenge, man. You get me? I like a challenge. Hey, hey, hey. I like a challenge, boy. I like a challenge. You wanna do? You wanna boss up your life? You gotta get it with me. Wanna go there? You wanna boss up your life? You gotta get it with me. Don't get it twisted. Woo-hoo. Oh shit! I didn't know it was this packed. Yeah, I didn't know what it is. Pet. Don't feel me. I wanna go have a. Look at him, motherfucker. Hey. That's packed, boy, yo. It is so damn packed, boy, yo.
One eternity later.
Here I come. Oh, here I come. Oh.
as we reach the end of the video, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cause yeah, man, we almost at 1,000, bruh. So we're tiny miles away. But yeah, man. Hey.
Yes, boy and girls. Woo, woo. Let's see, hi, so, hi.